Yeah, before you can really start properly preparing, you need to identify what you are preparing for. Now, the best way to do that is to actually go and sit down and look at your current situation. What is the current situation in your area that you are staying, wherever you want to prepare for? And then by looking at what type of scenarios normally plays out there, you can start with that. Like for instance, where I'm staying, crime is obviously a problem, so we have to do a bit of planning on crime prevention and what you're going to do once a crime has taken place. Then also, you might stay in an area where there is veld fires. What you're going to do in a situation where there's a veld fire. You can also look at your flooding. If you're staying in a flood-prone area, like closer to the Vaal River, that is also something that you need to take into consideration. So, before you even start with your preparing process or your prepping process, you need to identify the threats that you are going to face, because that's the only proper way to do it.